Hello, this is the other guy, and welcome back to Fallout Dust, episode 47. Now, last time, Bitefinger was in these Tyrene tunnels, and she was not doing well, and by she wasn't doing well, I mean I wasn't doing well, and I was kind of pissy. So, I'm still pissy, and I managed to take out a bunch of the ghouls, so that was fun. Now, I'm actually horribly irradiated, still without water or food. Menders basically used a ton of my ammo to get... Come on. All the way here. No guarantee there will be anything good at the end. So here's hoping there is. You did not spot me. Get out of here. Are you fucking kidding me? That was a kill shot. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't do that shit. Alright, that's one. Move to the side. That's two. Alright, reload. Save. Move forward. Alright, oh, this is gonna suck. Alright. One. Two, gotta risk it. Three. One. Two. Yes. Finally. Get him. Alright, so I'm out of health. If you couldn't tell. I'm out of... Oh shit. Oh my god, why are there so many of them? Come on. Okay, so still doing terrible. Do I have any aid? I also don't know if a level up fills up my health, and I hope it does. I might want to go ahead and just... I can't dump enough into that to go ahead and get lockpicking next, but I'm probably going to my next available... Alright, let's go ahead and put this into this, and then... where do I put my last four? I hate to stress over this, but... fuck it, it'll be even less next time. Lead belly could be very helpful, considering... let's see, voracious reader. That could actually be really helpful. Weapon handling, right side. I either want that one or drink to last, because drink to last is actually really helpful. Drink to last. We'll get lead belly next time, because I have purification tablets, so not dying from radiation isn't currently my biggest worry. It's dying from hunger, thirst, and just being bludgeoned mostly. I was not trying to teabag that guy, I was actually just trying to... Oh, come on. Hide a bit better. Quick save. I think I'm out of healing items is my issue. And I honestly just want to get the frick out of here. Sensor module. I might as well, I have the space, and... Yeah. Let's quickly sneak. It's downstairs again. The sun is killing me. Shit. Alright, running. Finally. Oh, come on. Oh, I should see the wizard. Look at that. So let's sneak over here and hide. so we technically made it. Zinnias give HP. No. And I ate my food, so... yeah, double no. Alright, so let's go ahead and see about... can I get in this train? It's a really random question. Okay, thank God. I was worried I wouldn't get him for a second. Can I get in this train? No, I can't. Quick save. Another ghoulier. I have a feeling this is just an alternate route to the path I already took. Very hard lock. Okay, no, I can't get into that one. I'm down to 14 bullets. I'm gonna have to start playing very cautiously. Or I'm gonna have to get out of these tunnels. I did not expect this to... oh shit. Alright, can we get you? Yes we can. Alright. Crouch. You're okay. Fine. So let's go ahead and move through the environment slowly, deliberately. Kind of panic. There's sign of danger. That is actually pretty decent stuff. I can convert that at a workbench to actually useful ammo, so that's something. Let's go ahead and quick save again, because I'm a giant pansy, and that's all I do, is quick save continuously. Although I can't imagine, you know, oh shit. Oh, fucking instant replay that one, huh? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my fucking... oh my fucking God, that was too much. I almost didn't do the last VAT shot, too. Ah, come on. Really? Thank you, VATS. Very helpful. I was hammering V. I know you can't hear it because, you know, I actually have my mic actually set up half decent right now. So. Alright, I did not need those. I don't know why I went back in there. Sneak over here. Nothing helpful there. Alright. Alright. And now... put all the shots in there. I don't care. Come on. Alright. That is a win. Alright, so weapons. We still have my varmint rifle, and I think we're going to be using that. Considering if I can hit with it, should be a kill, although I've had some issues with it in the past. Not really wanting to hit properly, so yeah. I'm hoping we get to the surface soon because, you know, another throwing hatchet. I need to start using those actually, because if those are as helpful as I think they'll be, then yeah. It just takes a crucial second to pull out the hatchet and throw it, so it makes it a little... it's like any other grenade, I assume. What's that? My health is low? I might want to heal up? Thanks, game. Muchos grandes pro strats. That's a miss. Run back here. Let's run actually. Let's close the door. Actually, while we're here, let's check to see how much those actually do. Yeah, no, those do some decent damage, actually. quick save. Let's head back out. I know I didn't wait long, but they seem to have short attention spans. Oh, that was a wall. Alright, so. Alright, it looks like I can just go for chest shots, and that'll work pretty well. I'm also losing karma, so that's fun. Player dot get AV karma 440. I'm only supposed to lose karma from shooting survivors, and I've had survivors I don't lose any karma from, and ghouls I lose a ton from, so. Alright. Alright. Fun. Is this edible mushrooms or is this decorative? It's decorative. Alright. Get some more ammo for that. I'm still under leather belt, very helpful. Ghoul ear, not so helpful, but still. I mean, I'll take it. You know, it's something. Come on. This is a bunch of them. Really? Okay, so let's go ahead and quick save. Just because. Oh my freaking god, why are there so many? What could be at the end of this that would be worth it? Oh my freaking god. I did not know. I think this was added in by a World of Pain, though. Oh, come on. That was a shot to the chest for sure. And that was a shot while turning, which I really didn't expect to actually connect, but hey, oh shit. Oh, come on. Freaking under the armpit shots. I think. Maybe I'm just bad at this. Oh, I punched my mic again. Maybe they're just invulnerable during that dumb ray animation. Which seems unlikely considering I know I've killed them in it before. If it's just the one left, let's go ahead and try to use the Silence 22 on him. It's very accurate and vast. So. Now let's. No, we're not completely alone. So. Sneak this way. Check around the corner. Alright, I don't see anything immediately. So, oh wait, mole rat meat. It's like, you know, actually half decent right now. It's not terribly great, but hey, I have no food and I'm in a tunnel full of zombies. That's a buffet. Unless I want to start eating the zombies. Spoiler alert, I don't. Oh god, that was a gun. That was a gun. That was a gun. What was a real gun? No, that is a sniper. Oh, what can I hit? Oh my god. Oh, that was very lucky. Oh, I was gonna go into VATS for sure. Oh, that is an anti-material rifle. Oh, that is a anti-material rifle. That's a big gun. Metro Master Key. Metal armor is helpful, but not terribly great. Let's take this. Alright. And we're gonna use you for storage, buddy. Buddy pal. Pal friend. Let's go ahead and drop some of the items I'm not using. Shotgun, axe. They weigh a lot. Gas bomb, I need the explosive. Hunting rifle we could technically drop. Pull Q. For sure. Let's keep the varmint rifle. It's good medium range. Considering the gun I just picked up is very long range. There's clearly a ghoul right there. Wait, is this explosion zone? Yep. Reloading. Alright, that was me being dumb, because of course I was. Gee, that sure looks like the gas will explode and kill me. Immediately walks in and blows myself up. Really? What are you doing? Are you just hanging out, bro? Okay. Cool story, bro. Right, not a very long one, but hey. Kent's confession. Take that combat knife. Repair that combat knife with my combat knife. So I can combat knife while I combat knife. And now, confession. Killed him, let him in, yada yada yada. Use for company, cross ammo all day, look forward to. Red shine. Feral stuck in it, makes it faster, stronger. Huh. So it looks like good, the bad, ugly. Stim pack. Conductor. It's all irradiated. Oh, it's really irradiated. Alright. So we're out of there. Alright. So. Oh, this took me back here, didn't it? Yes, it did. Haha. Alright, so. That's a pretty quick way back to the surface. Hopefully. Well. It's not the most charming place, but. Hey. I gotta admit. Could be worse. Celebrate with a beer. Okay, so. I'm severely dehydrated. Alright. Some nice jams going too. That's a sink. That does not function. Pork and beans. What did I say? I said if we found some pork and beans, that's a win. I mean, it's not. We're doing freaking terrible, but hey. They had no supplies, it looks like. Wait a minute. Yes, they did. Wrong door. So let's quick save just in case it sets to freak out and not let me fill up every bottle. Alright, how many does that give me? Nuka-Cola. 3 dirty water. Shit. I need a few more. Sunset Sarsaparilla. This one. Did I check through this area already? They have a workbench. Yes, they do. Alright. Oh. Other bathroom. No, don't close the bathroom. What are you doing? Alright. Fill up every bottle. Alright. And now we can go over here. Oh, that is not the workbench. Alright. Right. None of that's actually what I needed. I think it's in the actual standard crafting. Yeah, there it is. Wait, where's mass purified water? Really? I need a survival skill to put a fucking pill in some water. Oh, you dumb motherfuckers. Looks like we're drinking dirty water. I thought we had his key. I guess not. Power's not too helpful. Is there anything in there? Alright. This looks like it could make a decent base of operations for, well, temporarily at least. I don't know if we can use milk bottles, but I'm assuming we can. Bunch of holes. Whiskey bottle. So are they eating people? That's like really uncommon for ferals, or not ferals, for non-ferals. Which I guess, you know, normal players can be cannibals, then ghouls can be cannibals. Okay, let's check see if it did the milk bottle. No, it did not. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, there's a bunch of rats, but I can't afford not to. Turn on light. Okay, next we're definitely putting enough into survival to get at least 75. Pork and beans. Bottle caps. Ooh, that's good. Alright, I was gonna drop the milk bottle, that's right. Oh god damn it. Of course it did. Why wouldn't it? What of a mutilated skull? Scripture. I need to get rid of that. I mean, that's kind of rude. Milk bottle, there it is. Huh. It's just a standard skull. I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna call him Jeffrey. It'll be wonderful. Me and Jeffrey will go on adventures until I finally set him down and go, alright, I cannot carry that random skull. So, you know, probably 10 minutes from now. Let's see. Homemade assault rifle. Is there anything? Plasma rifle. SMG. A lot of these don't make a lot of sense. It's like, you know, oh, I'll take this, you know, submachine gun and, you know, make it into another slightly weirder submachine gun. Right, E exit, E back in. Alright. Ooh, very helpful. We take the lunchboxes due to the whole fact of they could be helpful in the future. I know caravan lunches are very helpful. That's a nice bed. Oh, those are just blocks. Scrap metal, I guess. We might as well. Actually, I need a little sleep, unfortunately. It's gonna suck, but hey. What can you do? Get some rest, considering first thing in the morning I have to go clear out Novak. Feel less tired. No longer tired. Here's one of. Oh, alright. Sorry, Jeffrey. Alright, let's jump those. And actually... Oh, it was the hunting rifle scope. Shit. Okay, I will find more hunting rifles, though, so that's something. Okay. Well, we got a nice little base of operations back there, and I'm probably going to run back into this other dude's place over here. See what I can find. Oh, I'm getting irradiated. Right, quickly since I do not want to get terribly irradiated. There's this area up here that I didn't explore, and I should have, right off the bat. Why did he have a 50 cal in tunnels? Why was that his choice of weapon? Alright, can I go ahead and make any 50 cal ammo? I doubt it. You know, I don't know what you'd need for 50 cal. Yeah, I don't have any of it. Wait a minute. That's because I'm not at the ammo bench. 50 cal. Lead, powder, oh jeez. Why does that take pistol, primer, and powder? Seems like the opposite. Alright, so let's go ahead and run back down here. So we did get a little bit of useful stuff. Get back out quickly. Alright, so now I'm terribly irradiated. My arms are broken. I think my arms are broken. Yeah, my arms are broken. I'm severely dehydrated. And I'm doing slightly terrible. But what I do have is a giant fuck-off sniper rifle. So it's time to go get a house. You're like, what do you mean? How are you going to get a house? Well, I'll tell you. Novak's still there. Which means the player base is still there. Which means my player base is still there. Your player base? You don't have a player base. Yeah, that's what the giant fuck-off sniper rifle is for. I mean, y'all got that at the first fucking, you know, sentence I made, but once you're starting a lame joke like that, you can't just end it. Right, you can. I don't know. Random. You know, nonsense. That wasn't just like random kooky woo. Uno momento. Gonna get some water. Get me a drink of my water real quick. Alright, so there's Novak. Probably should go ahead and use one of my stim packs. Although they are limited now, so fuck it, I'd much rather go into battle. Ooh, that sway isn't bad at all. It's not great, but hey, how does a body? Oh wow, I had a bunch of good stuff. Let's go ahead and actually, while we're doing that, we're gonna put that up because it looks like I can find plenty of hats everywhere. And is there anything like just heavy in here I can get rid of? Those don't weigh anything. I don't need that right now, or that. Plunger is helpful-ish, but I bet I can find more, so. Let's go ahead and continue sneaking. Now we want to check this guy out, grab the herbs from right there, and then cowboy repeater. Oh, that weighs too much. Yes, it does. We will be back for you later, though. Now, my main thing is cannibals eat people, so that means they're not going to have that much good food. But what food they have that's non-cannibal is going to be very edible. If I'm lucky, I doubt they're going to have that much food that's non-cannibal. Oh no. Now, let's sneak by, he's kind of slow. Oh no. Okay. Is the sniper still there? Yes, he is. Okay. Let's move in from behind this rock. Get out of the sniper's line of fire. Y'all get the fuck out of here. Oh, Jesus. Alright. There went most of my ammo on freaking random Centaurs, but hey, what can you do? Ooh, it sounds like they're in a firefight as is. Might be able to use that to my advantage. If I can figure out who they're fighting with. That's a person. I'm not liking the looks of this. Their numbers are kind of massive versus me with kind of nothing. Let's go ahead and see if we can't get this dude. Is that Boone or is that someone random? Come on. Oh. Currently in danger, but I don't know what from. Now. I guess I have to at least try to gather some supplies in Novak. But we'll do that next time, unfortunately. This one's already running on a little bit, so until then, this has been The Other Guy. Subscribe if you want to. If not, bye.